everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're just going to jump right into the video. I'm going to start off by taking my iGel Beauty base coat and I'm going to be applying a thin layer of this over all the nails. After that is all cured, I am going to go in with this Vanillisa gel polish in the shade Nude Pink. This is such a beautiful, like it says, nude pink color. It's so gorgeous. So I'm just going to apply a thin layer of this over all the nails. After that came out of the lamp, I thought it was a little bit too light for what I'm going for. So I decided to go over that with another Vanillisa gel polish color. And this is in Gentle Pink. And this color, you guys, is top notch. Like, it's so beautiful. So I went ahead and applied a layer of this. And this was exactly the color I was looking for and going for. And I applied this over all the nails. Now I'm going to be taking some nail glitter, and if you guys seen my Shein nail haul, you will see that I did go ahead and pick this beautiful container of nail sequence glitters up from Shein. So I'm going to take this gorgeous like orange, like summery shade of hearts, and I'm just going to be taking some of the hollow hearts and like the full shaped hearts. And off camera, I did go ahead and kind of like fold the hearts. You want to fold them just so they like adhere to the nails and they don't like stick up. But to apply these, I am going to be taking my iGel Beauty base coat. I'm just going to be applying a thin layer over the nail. And I'm going to be sticking the glitters right on top of this uncured base coat. After I took that out of my UV lamp, I'm going to go ahead and be adding some builder gel. This is a builder gel that I use. It's I think it's Vanillisa builder gel, and I go ahead and I mix a little bit of base coat in there just to make it easier to apply. But I go ahead and apply a really good amount to the nail, and you want to make sure that you look at the sides of the nails to make sure that it's not lumpy. You want everything nice and even, but you do want to make sure that the hearts are fully coated. And once you take that out of the UV lamp, this is how your set is looking. Honestly, you guys, if you guys wanted to stop right there, that is such a beautiful set just like that. But I am going to go ahead and do some more art. So I'm going to be taking that Aim to Please shade and Baby Powder by iGel Beauty, and I'm going to be applying some of this on my little mixing palette. And I did want a lighter orange shade to match those hearts, so I'm going to be mixing some white into that orange shade and mixing it up. On this set, I did decide to go in and do a French tip nail look. So I'm going to be doing the A method. This is one of the easiest methods I found for doing French tip nails. So basically, I just turn the nails upside down. This is my personal preference, the way I like to do it. And I just go ahead and make a upside down A and then round out the corners. On the middle fingernail, I wasn't quite sure of like what type of design I wanted to do, but I do know that I wanted a design. So I went ahead and added these little, like, I don't even know what you call them, but they kind of remind me of like tiger stripes a little bit, but these little like dashes, I guess you could call them, on the sides. And I went ahead and used this shade of orange, and I went ahead and used some white. And then you guys are going to see I also added like a glitter color, and I think this nail turned out beautiful. Going to be adding this Champagne Glitter by Vanessa gel polish, and I'm going to be adding some little stripes with this color, and I'm also taking baby powder gel polish by iGel Beauty, some white, and I'm going to be making little dashes as well. Now we're going to go ahead and go in with some bling, and I decided that I wanted to add some rhinestones to the middle fingernail. Not too much bling, but I did definitely want to add a little bit. So I'm going to be taking these bigger shapes, and I'm also going to be taking those smaller rhinestones. I believe those are size SS6. That's a really good shape, or size, I meant to say, to have in your collection. SS6 rhinestones are a necessity when you're doing nails. They're like little filler stones. But yes, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Once I am done applying the rhinestone to help the glue dry, I'm just taking some of this Hurry Up glue dryer spray, and I'm giving it a nice spray on the nails just to dry that glue. And here I'm going to be going in with my iGel Beauty No Cleanse top coat, and I'm going to be going around those rhinestones and top coating all the nails. Once you take that out of your UV lamp, this is how your set should look, you guys. I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with another video soon. I think my next video is going to be how to make this super pretty Disney nail set. So if you guys would like to see that, please consider subscribing to my channel and definitely check back. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.